Do they have vegans in Japan?
No. Huh. Yeah, that's not good.
What do you mean that's not good? This is the worst YouTube video I've ever.
This is pretty horrible.
People are gonna love it!
I don't think you should post it. Oh God, that's bright.
What?
I said, oh God, that's bright.
Oh, what's up, people? We got the 944. It totally works. Ye of little faith. I think it works. I'm gonna try to start it. It's cold, it's night. I drove it to a sponsor meeting today for Gina's Garage. Come on, baby. Yes. Yes. And it's got pop-up headlights. You guys can't see it, but they work. Wait, okay. Stop being an idiot, Casey.
I look so dead. Look at how pale
Well,
I
it's
look.
nighttime. There's a light on us. What do you want from us? Hey, you're all getting what you paid for, which is 0, okay? That's where the expectations should be set tonight. This is not scripted. This is real life, people. This is not garbage reality TV show where production companies and networks.
By the way,
what?
I had forgotten that I can't fit my feet underneath the thing, and then
You haven't ridden in this yet, have you?
Well, in the old 944 that we had
from years ago.
Yeah, I remembered I couldn't fit my feet down in there, and now I can't fit them down there.
You got big bunny feet?
Well, it's just how well, yeah.
You can tell I'm smooth with the ladies, everybody. Okay. So this car works. Let's go. Where are we going?
Sushi, right?
Oh, I can do that. I can do
that what we're
that.
doing?
I'm a fancy guy in a Porsche. Yes. Do you think it'll make somebody mad that we're getting sushi? Don't run into the other Porsche.
Yeah, the other Porsche.
That one has to be cut in half. No power steering. Yes. Power steering is for sissies.
Well, I guess vegans would be mad at you.
Wait, why vegans? Sushi?
Why vegans? Sushi, yes. Fish.
Yeah?
Vegans can't have any animal.
Do they have vegans in Japan?
No.
Is it okay that we're eating sushi in a German car?
Well, it depends on how you look at it.
I bought a Toyota.
Okay. But we're in a German car.
Yeah, so I don't know. Hey,
that.
it's running, you guys. I told you. It sounds beautiful, doesn't it? You love it. Okay, it's totally working. Also, I got some stickers. I really was not going anywhere with that, but I got the sticker, and I think it's sweet, and I think I'm going to put it on the Viper and pretend that I'm cool.
Yeah. Did you tell them how I fixed the light?
What light? This light?
Yes.
Oh, to make the light not too bright, my wife... You gave me a receipt for us to tape around it.
Yeah.
Okay. My wife is smart. I am ridiculous. I am a YouTuber. Oh God, this is the worst YouTube video I've made so far. What are we gonna title this? Nothing.
Literally, you could call it the worst YouTube video.
I'm gonna call it Seinfeld. A show about nothing.
That's kind of what this is.
That's exactly what this is. No, it's not. It's a show. We're driving the 944 for the first time.
This is a show about nothing.
I have less than $4,000 in this car. Yeah.
Total?
Yeah.
Are you talking about the car or everything in the car?
The car, tax, parts, everything. It's a pretty good turn on, isn't it?
I hope I'm more than $4,000, but thank you.
Wait, hold on. I thought we were talking about the car.
I said everything in the car.
Jesus God. Like, why?
I'm just teasing.
Why?
I'm just
Why
teasing.
will women not let you win?
I'm just...
If you ask me if you look fat in what you're wearing, there's less than 3% of women that watch my YouTube channel, but 3% of 50,000 something blah blah is still a lot. You cannot pose that question to me right now. I will be hunted down and killed. Let's talk about the car.
Let's talk about the car.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's pretty smart, isn't it? It's got pop-up headlights. You know what the pop-up headlights look like? The what were they called? Speeder bikes or whatever? You know, the Force Indoor where they're... It's got the thing sticking out there.
Yeah, that's true. I never thought about that.
I know. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah. It smells like crayons.
And?
And my feet don't fit, so, I mean, it's comfortable. Like, it really is. It's pretty comfortable.
Yeah. This is the internet.
I know.
You can literally just make up things. Have you not seen the news? It shifts nice, you guys. This is a good feeling gearbox. Frankly, better feeling than a modern box or a 911. It's actually really positive. That's boring. I sounded too technical and boring.
That's really technical.
So this is a car from 1983 that I bought for $3,000 and fixed up for less than another $1,000, I think tax included, that we are driving to dinner, relying on, and not even worried about it. Except for the fact that I have like the toolkit handy. As well as...
Oh, so you are turning into a Porsche snob.
What? Hold on. No,
yes,
no.
You have the Porsche toolkit.
No.
Yes.
Look, I have the Porsche toolkit because it didn't get lost yet. And the reason...
But that's being a Porsche snob, is that you're keeping track of the toolkit.
No,
yes.
You don't understand. It's not the same reason. Porsche snobs keep track of the toolkit because they think it makes the car worth more. I keep track of the... No, I keep track of the toolkit because it might break. And I need to fix it. Now,
with special Porsche tools.
Right. I do have something else that's important. I brought this tool also, which is...
In case we blow up.
No, this is cheap insurance. And also, if somebody tries to mug us, I can just hit them with a fire extinguisher and then speed away. I don't even need a concealed carry for that, baby.
No, you don't.
Yeah. Oh, suck on Halon.
Tuesdays and Wednesdays.
Let's do a shout out. Suburban Bottle, downtown Perrysburg, Ohio. Get your wine on. They're open. Is Kelly in there?
I don't think so.
They're
it's
super
Thursdays.
Fun people who own it.
Yes, Thursdays. I don't think she's in there, but
okay.
It's still open.
Okay,
although we missed happy hour, so.
We did?
Yeah.
Oh, well. Okay, so we're married.
I thought we were going to sushi.
This is both the worst and best YouTube video
You are going to have to cut that out.
I'm not cutting it out.
No, please, come on.
I thought we were gonna get sushi. That's how I did it, you guys. She thought we were gonna get to sushi. I tricked her. We got married instead. That's how you do it, guys. You buy an old Porsche before the snobs ruin it by inflating the prices, and you say, we're gonna get sushi. Next thing you know, you got a wife. Or not, there's no red and blue lights in our mirror.
Yes.
Well, I think we'll be all right. It's from the 80s, it's not that fast.
Yeah.
Nothing was fast in the 80s.
No.
No.
Except people.
Well played. Look at that. Look at that, like a brand new car.
That squeals.
Listen, okay. If you want it to not squeal, you have to go buy a brand new car. And brand new Porsches are like, I don't know.
Did you hear that
$50,000 to $100,000 plus? Stupid! This is $3,000. What?
Did you know that Porsche is gonna have their
Is this
first?
like oil? What?
Kind of.
It takes a while to burn the smells away. You gotta blow
like
this. You gotta blow the stink
smell?
off. No, my grandmother used to say when we were little kids, it's good to take them out once in a while. You blow the stink off. That's what we'll blow this. Okay, so what were we gonna say?
I was gonna say, did you hear that Porsche was doing their first Super Bowl commercial in over 20 years? On
What's
Sunday?
that gonna be?
Apparently it's a new sports car of some description.
Well,
my boss was telling me about it today at work. That's all I know.
Out of the way, minivan! Make way, peasants! We're coming through. Yes. Oh, ew.
Not the.
Hey, there's a Dunkin' Donuts. That's kind of 80s.
Well, I mean, they definitely changed their logo to look like it's from the 80s, and now it's DD, so it's whatever you want to put into that, little.
So Dunkin' Donut either means huge tracts of land, or designated drivers. So what do you think of this Porsche?
Or Drunken Donuts.
Oh, that's not a good sign. Do you remember?
What's that, a bracelet?
No, it's not a bracelet.
I'm teasing. I know exactly what it is.
Here you go, honey. I got it for your birthday.
Yay! Thank you.
I'm the best husband ever.
Huh. Yeah, that's not good.
What do you mean that's not good? Jumper wires in an old car is perfectly normal.
Yeah.
Look, all the lights work.
Nothing's exploded yet.
Nothing's exploded. We're fine. I'm out of here. Out of the way, new car. Welcome to depreciation, miserable peasants. Ha 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 ha. Oh man. Whoops. So the raw power of this Porsche 944 knocked the camera clean off the windshield. Take that, non-80s cars. This is the worst YouTube video I've ever done.
This is pretty horrible.
People are gonna love it.
I don't think you should post it.
I'm gonna post it.
I know you will. Even though I don't think you should.
Why can't we just be normal, have nothing intelligent to say? That guy clearly has nothing intelligent to say. Look at his fashion choices.
What?
He's a runner. He's wearing chartreuse. I'm not being a jerk.
I think you are.
I know, I totally am.
You are. Where'd that guy come from?
What guy?
That guy.
I said, I don't know.
He came out of nowhere.
Came out. Look at those people.
There's more of them.
I don't know. They have little flashlights on their head like they're miners, and then they're wearing the in thing is to wear this like
day glow.
These day glow like X things around your body if you want to jog at night. But you end up looking like Mickey Rourke in Iron Man 2. There's more freaks running around. What are those people dressed as?
They're probably training for
They look
marathons. This is the marathon time of year.
It is?
Yes.
That's what it is?
Yeah.
Why are they running where everybody can see them? Because if no one sees them exercising, did you even exercise? Do you even lift, bro? Oh, good Lord. They're coming this way. Oh, my Lord.
We'll go.
I'm going. You don't want me to unleash all 4 cylinders of this. Oh, yes.
My arm is getting tired.
Dear Internet, please comment on Taylor's most recent pouch. And in the meantime, I think you guys should 80s it up. Find something cool to put some elbow grease in and enjoy. And take your sweetie out to a nice dinner. And if you don't have a sweetie, then get a cool old car. And maybe you'll find one. All right, where's the keys? I lost them. I'm not
You put them in your pocket already.
Why would I do that?
Because that's what you do.
You guys should totally share this because the world should know how haphazard I actually am at planning these videos. And naturally, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. How about you?
Ditto.